Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over a quick drawing tip. It's only going to be a 3-minute video, so follow along, but this is going to be an incredibly important tip that I think maybe you don't know. You probably don't know it. So let's get started right now. We're going to be using Garfield over here, Garfield, uh, to kind of demonstrate what I'm talking about. So something that's really unique to Garfield design, it's not as unique as you think, but something that you can utilize is this form right here, right? So clearly, the Garfield was made. When you look at the simple shapes of Garfield, there is clearly gravity acting upon this. He almost has like an egg-like head right here. When you look at it, let me change the color to this to blue. Let me see real quick. Yeah, let's go to blue really fast. All right, blue. So he has this egg-like form. It's small at the top and it gets larger at the bottom, right? It's acting upon gravity and it looks more, I would say, good. And you see a lot of that in different designs. It doesn't always have to be that way, but it is one thing you can do because it makes it feel grounded, like the character's actually standing there. I know as cartoony as he is, he looks like he's physically there in, the cartoon world. And I think a big part of that is the fact that his head is not just a complete circle. You can do characters like that, but I think one thing that adds to him is that he doesn't have a complete circle to his head. Again, he has this form right here where clearly gravity's pulling down upon this and it's not acting on the top part. I would say something really easy to remember would be maybe using the, think of something as like a drop of rain, for example. Let me see. One second. Sorry about that. Be patient with me. Sorry, guys. All right. So something like a droplet of water, right? Anything oozing down that has that gravity acting upon it. And again, it makes it look a little bit more real world, a little bit more convincing. I would say a little bit, cooler in its design, like it's standing there. Again, this is cartoon world. It's just one thing that you might be able to use. I would say try using this tip on a design for a cartoon if you want to do it, or maybe try throwing it into some drawings that you may have now, and you might be surprised. That's the tip of the day. What I want you to do is I want you to comment below, and I want you to tell me what is it that you want to learn. Give me like an art tip and a portion of art that I can break up into a small video like this and talk about it, maybe using some characters that you like. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Share the video. Sharing is caring. And also, what I want you to do is hit the like if you enjoyed this. And lastly, if you can, stick around for the next art tip we're going to talk about. We're going to be using somebody else, another character. We're going to be talking about a tip within art. And hopefully, you'll learn a little bit more and get a little bit better by the day, okay? So let's get started and moving on. Let's get moving.